A cloud of my own, protecting you from the things in your home. Smart homes provide tremendous convenience and value. However, this convenience comes with a huge unexpected risk. Each device you add creates an easy-to-hack entry into your home. Unknown to you, the typical smart home is sending data to various servers around the world. We created a cloud of my own to protect you and ensure that your devices aren't being used against you. Each day brings a new headline on a smart home device that has been compromised. By finding the weakest link in your home, the hacker can create a physical profile of you and your family's activities. When you are home, when you are away, when you go to bed, and when you wake up. In addition, he can begin controlling your devices as well. So how do you protect yourself? The key is to isolate the devices in your home on a secure, separate network. Profile the devices, who they should be talking to, and how frequently. Protect these devices aren't well protected. You need a way to stop these rogue conversations from happening. We looked for a solution and found none, so we created a cloud of my own. Your home currently has a router, probably from the cable company, and a bunch of smart home devices on your Wi-Fi network. Add a cloud of my own by simply plugging the device into the back of your router. A cloud of my own will automatically configure a secure, actively managed Wi-Fi network. Now just transition your smart home devices to connect to this A Cloud of My Own wireless network. That's all there is to it. Extremely easy to use. No extra app. Just use the built-in screen. Affordable. No need to replace your entire network gear. Non-disruptive. Doesn't impact any of your current home setup. Multiple layers of security, providing enterprise-level security in your home. Proprietary database of IoT device behavior, so we know who and where the manufacturer expects each device to be interacting with. We are compliant with all existing and pending global IoT, security, and privacy regulations. Order your A Cloud of My Own today.